It's not surprising that women in the ancient times cared about beauty, but what may be surprising are the methods they used to achieve their beauty. Would you believe that cabbage leaves help with inflammation? Stay tuned to see how. If you are new to our channel, click the red subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Today, we are discussing 10 ancient beauty secrets that are still useful. Sugaring. Having unwanted body hair isn't something that is exclusive to modern women. In fact, women have been removing unwanted body hair for thousands of years. The women in ancient Egypt got rid of body hair by using a method called sugaring. Much like waxing, sugaring removes hair from the roots so that it is softer when it grows back. The sugaring method still works today and is easy to do. One of the main reasons people love sugaring so much is because it is less painful than waxing. Because sugaring uses a paste, it doesn't stick to skin, making it less irritating. Mung beans. People have been fighting acne for centuries. In ancient China, empresses would use a common bean to help them with their acne woes. The mung bean is a small green bean mostly found in India and China. It packs some pretty powerful vitamins and proteins, which makes it ideal for inexpensive face masks. The Chinese empresses would mash the mung beans until it made a paste. They would then rub the paste on their face to help soothe and heal their acne. If you want to try this beauty secret for yourself, make sure to use fresh, organic, pesticide-free mung beans. Rose water. If you've never used rose water in your beauty routine, you are missing out. Rose water is considered one of the world's oldest beauty secrets. Documents from the ancient Egyptians show they used rose water on their skin as far back as 3500 BC. From face creams to perfumes, rose water is found in several of ancient Egypt's beauty products. The Romans noticed its amazing moisturizing properties and would use it on their skin during harsh winters. In modern times, we use rose water in beauty products because of its calming effects on irritated skin. Saffron oil. Everyone knows Cleopatra was the pinnacle of beauty. She was known for her fair skin and glamorous taste. From decorating the floors of her palace with rose petals to her famous milk baths, Cleopatra was very opulent. One of her favorite beauty secrets was saffron oil. She allegedly added saffron oil to her milk baths to help achieve her infamous glow. You can have Cleopatra's glow for yourself by combining a pinch of saffron threads with coconut oil. Add the mixture to your nighttime routine by applying it to your face before washing. Mint. It's hard to believe that something that is known to freshen breath can also make skin glow. Ancient Chinese women used fresh mint leaves to make their skin glow. Because it is so cheap, it made the perfect cost-effective beauty secret. Chinese women would brighten their skin by grinding mint leaves and applying them directly to their face. Modern Chinese women use mint in their beauty routine as well. They make a mask using mint, cucumber, and honey that is perfect for toning skin. You can do it yourself by trying one of the several online tutorials available. Honey. Not only is honey tasty, but it also has some pretty amazing moisturizing properties. Because of this, Cleopatra included it in several of her beauty products. She would keep her hair soft and shiny by using a special hair treatment made of castor oil and honey. To moisturize her skin, Cleopatra used a face mask made of heavy cream and honey. To try it yourself, mix 2 tablespoons of cream with 1 tablespoon of honey. Then apply the mixture to your face and let it sit for 10 minutes. Finally, rinse with warm water and admire your new Cleopatra-inspired glow. Sea salt. It seems nearly impossible to walk through a mall without someone trying to sell you a sea salt scrub. But there is a good reason. It's been working for centuries. Sea salt is perfect for sloughing off dead skin and even helps cellulite. Ancient Japanese geishas are admired for their timeless beauty, and they also use sea salt in their beauty routine to keep skin firm and break down fat. You can try the recipe yourself by combining 2 tablespoons of sea salt with whipped cream. Then massage the mixture over your warm skin and rinse. Coconut oil. It's no secret that coconut oil is good for everything from cooking to body lotion. But this isn't anything new. Women in South Asia have been using coconut oil for years. They use it on their scalps to keep them moisturized and to help maintain their gorgeous hair. Considering coconut oil is used everywhere these days, this ancient beauty secret is easy to pull off. Comb a spoonful of coconut oil through your hair and let it sit for an hour. Then completely rinse the oil out and reveal your super shiny locks. Jade roller. It may look a bit strange, but a jade roller may be your next must-have beauty tool. Ancient Chinese women believe jade rollers help target their face's acupressure points. By rolling the jade stone on their face, they would improve blood circulation and remove toxins from their bodies. Chinese women still believe that jade can improve skin tone, tighten pores, and help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. They are easy to find and even easier to use. Just gently roll the stone over your face starting from the center and moving upwards and outwards. Cabbage leaves. One of the strangest but still effective ancient beauty secrets has to be cabbage leaves. Yes, we are talking about the cabbage leaves that you hate to eat. Hundreds of years ago, women used cabbage leaves to help relieve inflammation and pain associated with nursing a baby. They would take cold, raw cabbage leaves and cup them around the sensitive areas. Then they would press the cabbage leaves down for 20 minutes or until they became warm. Scientists aren't sure why cabbage helps relieve this type of pain, but surprisingly, this age-old method is still used today. Check out our friends at The Things who make interesting feel-good videos about lifestyle, pop culture, and everything viral that is sure to keep you entertained. Are you going to try any of these ancient beauty secrets? Let us know how it goes in the comments section below, and for more beauty tips, check out 10 makeup techniques that will make you more attractive.